to my channel, Just Rhea. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've visited my channel before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unenveloping of Calculated to the T. And I'm also going to be showing you guys a few other things that I got from them around Christmas time. But I tried to go ahead and pre-open the package because I didn't want all of that noise in it. But that is how the package came out of the envelope. And there's my pen. I like pink and I like the crystal on the top. Came with a card. It says, "Thank you for supporting my small business. No problem. Rhea, thanks for your purchase. I'm really thankful for your support. Like you, Mel." Girl, no problem. No problem. So we're just gonna set that off to the side. And the sticker, it says the same thing. "Thank you for supporting my small business." It's wrapped very neat. And I can't even get into it. I hate having to tear. I like to tear stuff off neatly. I even open my Christmas presents neat. Okay, so this is what I got, and it matches my sinking funds envelope. Well, I mean, sinking funds binder. This is a little darker, but it doesn't matter to me. I really like the print. But on the inside, there are my envelopes. Yay! So I have a space for my cards, money, and then I have my envelopes. I have gas, house stuff, Rhea, hubby, kiddos, Pixie, grown-up fun, family outings, giving and tips, and miscellaneous. And then I also have more space for money and cards, even receipts, like whatever you want to put here. And then what is the topper for me is the coin pouch. So I think that is super duper important to have a coin pouch. But I like how the envelopes fit inside of the wallet. So now I don't have to carry this around along with my purse. Now I can just carry this. It makes things so much lightweight and better. You guys can purchase this. I'm gonna list the price up here on the screen. And also, you guys, I have a code. My code is Rhea, and that code will give you 15% off of your purchase. So be sure to use my link to purchase your very own wallet. And it comes with, I think, five or six envelopes, and you get to choose your design and your letter print and whatnot. And you can decide if you want them, you know, in the envelope like this, or if you don't want holes punched in them, you don't have to. She customizes it to your liking. I will also link her channel in the eye, so be looking out for that. She also has the kids versions of the envelopes. But of course, you know, kids are not really walking around here with wallets, so they have like a whole little envelope, binder box. And you get, I think, 5, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you get 5 envelopes that will go inside of it. And of course, you tell their names. And so for my girls, I put savings, gifts, Nintendo, snacks, and other. They can't keep anything in it because they keep putting it in this. So going forward for March, I am going to set them up with something in their envelopes, and it won't just be a Nintendo. But these are really cute. She has 2 different colors, this color and I think a blue one. I'll put a picture right here because I'm not really sure what the color of the other one is, but I wanted this one because it looks like it's for girls. And they like it. They can put their change. I like it because they can put their change and stuff on the inside. They like it because they can put other stuff in it. But make sure you guys check out Calculated to the T. She has a website. I will put the website in the description box below. I will also put my link in the description box below for you to use. I mean, not my link, my code for you to get some for you to save some money off of your purchase and support a small business. Make sure you guys stop by her shop, and the way that you tell her that I sent you is putting that code in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to use my new wallet. I'm going to be doing cash stuffing this week, probably tomorrow, and I'll probably post it either tomorrow or Friday. But I will be using this instead of my regular this. But yes, I cannot wait. I already have my budget done for March. So be looking out for that. And you guys, thank you so much for tuning in for the month of February. I know I've been kind of on and off, but you know how technology is, and then just life in general, things come up. But I thank for everybody who has supported and watched the videos throughout the month of February. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video to anybody who you think would be interested in budgeting or who you feel needs to be interested in budgeting. Send them the link that will be in the description box because this can set them up. This is like a starter pack. Gets them the wallet, gets them the envelopes. All they have to do is budget it out. Perfect gift. Make sure if you're not subscribed, you hit that subscribe button and go visit Mel's page also, which is in the eye. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.